Good morning, guys. Uh, so I am Raghu. I'm having a digital marketing experience for about 10 plus years, and I dealt with major MNCs and big names in the market. I provide consultations for some of the big names in the market as well. So at this moment, uh, I'm providing consultations and I'm working as a freelancer, and I'm also providing trainings. So I already handled around 35 batches, and we are going to be the 36th batch, and we'll have a fun time for the next 60 days when we are going to finish the digital marketing course. Okay, so I'll come straight to the point. I'm not going to muck up with things, so I'll come straight to the point. So today, it'll be just only introduction, guys, like what will be digital marketing and all the stuff, and how it is going to be in the future, what sort of jobs you are going to get, and how it will shape up the career and all the stuff. Okay, so only those sort of things we'll look into today. Okay, so it's been some time, guys, because of the lockdown. I didn't go through these trainings all these days, so it'll be a bit of hesitant today. So the aspects which we are going to look are, what is digital marketing? Why digital marketing? What is the future scope? And what is the difference between traditional and digital marketing? Role of content in digital marketing, and how digital marketing can help in shaping your career. So all these aspects. So my voice is loud and clear, right? So it is clear for everyone. Is there any disturbance?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
yes, yes.
Okay. So to start with, what exactly is marketing? So many people must have an idea. This marketing term, it's not just coming from today. It's coming from centuries. But the style of marketing is different in those days. Now the style of marketing is completely evolved. During that time, see, people used to exchange the goods, right? They used to visit around different countries. Let us say, if someone is having rice, they used to exchange it with gold. If someone is having iron, they used to exchange it with something. Now, this is how they used to market the products and sell it in different locations or in different countries, and they used to make money out of it during those historical times. Now, after this industrial revolution and so-called modernization and everything, marketing has evolved in different ways. Like after the 1900s, you can see we witnessed Olympics, we witnessed different things, trains got into the market, and all the stuff. Now, during the early parts of the 1900s, hoardings or paper advertisement or paper pamphlets, all these are very popular in the initial stage, and that is the means of making a product into a brand. Okay, see, what becomes a brand is when it gets popularity, when it gains trust in the market, and when it maintains the quality in the market, then a normal product will evolve as a brand in the market. A Reebok shoe, let us take it. A Reebok shoe in the initial stage, it will be a shoe on it. Now, if you ask anyone, yes, Reebok, it is a brand for the shoe, right? So that's how the things get evolved after you survive a period in the market with trust, quality, and a loyalty. Okay, so that's how brands, I mean, get evolved in the market. Now you can see in different fields there are different methods of marketing strategies. Okay, the most popular rivalries in the last 1 year or so is Geo and other telecom networks. You can say now Geo, when it entered into the telecom sector, there was a huge competition, right? And Airtel is leading it. Now once they entered it with their own marketing strategies, now they penetrated into the market, and now they are getting the investments all around the world. Now, that's what marketing is. Okay, that's what marketing can do. Now, when it entered in the market, Geo was a normal network. Now you can see it was a, I think, 1.5 lakh crore empire. I think it is going to get evolved more, and it is going to expand its business in the Indian market as well, and they are going to go to the foreign market as well in terms of 5G and other things. Okay, so that's what marketing can do. Now, what is this digital marketing and what is the traditional marketing? Now, till now, I'm just saying marketing, marketing only. Now, before 1960s, or let us say before 1990s, there was no such term like digital marketing, because there is no internet at that time, and digital presentation is also mere in the society. And you can say that the only word which was used at that time is marketing. So if they have to uh, popular, make a product popular, they have to market it in a very short period. So marketing is the yeah. So if you have to make a product popular, you have to just rely on paper advertisements or pamphlets or wall posters, big hoardings, and all this stuff. There used to be very less events at the international level as well. Olympics was one, which was coming from way in the early parts of the 1900s. So there were very few events where the products got a chance, or else the companies got a chance to market their products and make them a huge brand in the global market. Okay, so to make an existence or survival in a particular location, it has become it used to be a very tough challenge during those times. But now, with the global presence and with uh, the digital innovation, I can say, and people getting used to these digital devices, so global marketing got evolved and it created a revolution on such where a simple product can just penetrate into the market in a very short period. As such, you can see what Geo has done. There is a perfect marketing strategy. You can just penetrate into the market like a GIF. Okay. Now the modern market is all about innovations and investment. Okay. So without investment, we can't do anything. So, but 2 generations back, if you ask your parents or grandparents, they'll say, uh, it's all about you have to stay there in the market, you have to fight the market, and you have to get a name in the market, you have to survive the market. Now there is no such formula in these days. The reason being uh, two things. One is people want to earn money very quickly, that is first thing. Second thing is People want to capture the market in a very short period. That is there because the competition is as such in the market at this moment. So with these 2 points, yes, the human thinking process should evolve these days. The human thinking process should evolve these days. Okay, so we can't just rely on the old ideas and say we have to wait in the market till we get succeed. Yes, that will be definitely there, but guys, we have to be very smart in these modern times and have to be competing the modern market. So the principles, the basic principles, what our parents and grandparents taught, that will remain, but we have to be proactive to survive this competitive market. Okay, so there are two types of marketing, guys. After 90s, that is divided into one is traditional marketing and the other is digital marketing. Now, the digital marketing wing is defined as a sort of marketing strategy where you promote your products or services in the digital devices. Now, what are the digital devices, guys? You got laptop, you got your mobile phones, tabs, and many more. Okay. Now, when you are doing a product marketing or a service marketing in these products in these digital devices with the help of internet, then it is called as digital marketing. Now, a question might arise: why the television, though it is an electronic device, why it is not considered in traditional marketing? I mean, in digital marketing. That is definitely a good thing, guys. The reason being, during 80s or 70s, it was used for marketing in the early parts. I can say where digital marketing is getting evolved. So it is still considered as a part of the traditional marketing strategy only. The advertisements which we do electronically are still considered as a part of the traditional marketing strategy. So all these digital devices that are connected to the internet, as I say, majority of the televisions are not connected to the internet. Still, they rely on the satellite sources and signals, right? So in this way, digital marketing is going to rule the competitive market for the next few years. It might be 10, 15, or many more until the artificial intelligence take over the market. Okay, so there is a huge scope for the digital marketing in the next few years, guys. Now, without wasting time, I'll jump into the point. What is the difference between traditional and digital marketing? Now, why there is a division in between these two strategies, and what is that basic advantage we are going to get in the digital marketing? See, as I said, online marketing is what we connect with the internet. Now, what is traditional marketing? Traditional marketing is something where we publish the message in the form of a print, or else if someone goes directly to a person and explains about a product, that is called as traditional marketing. Now, what is online marketing? Online marketing is nothing but if you are trying to promote your product within the internet medium, it is called as online. Traditionally is, let us say, something on the hoarding, something on the newspaper, something on the metro rail, something on the pamphlet, something on what we can say, a bus. So all these print advertisements, and if a person comes to you and explains directly about a product or service, then it is called as a traditional marketing strategy. Okay, guys. Now, the basics remain same in both the marketing strategies. You are going to explain your content or publish your content to the audience. It remains same in both the marketing strategies. Now, digital platform, I mean, the platform will be different in communicating the message. In digital marketing, you are going to use internet and digital devices. In traditional marketing, print media and other sources which are available. Okay, that is the basic difference, but the concept remains the same. You have to convey your message strongly to the audience. Now, digital marketing is online playing field. It levels. So what is the advantage? I'm going to explain, guys. The first advantage is with digital marketing, it can be tracked and analyzed. Why I'm using this word? It can be tracked and analyzed. Now in digital marketing, everything is on internet, everything is linked to the website or your social media platform or anything. So how many people are visiting your website, you can track. How many leads are generated, you can track. How many people are coming from email marketing, you can track. How many people are coming from Facebook or so other or so forth social media channels. All these things you can track. Now once you are tracking, what you can do with this data, you can create an analysis. Okay, there are many online web analytics tools. We'll also look into those web analytics tools as well, guys, in the future classes. So you can analyze the data and you can analyze the performance. You're getting my point? You can analyze the data and you can analyze the performance. So that is the first advantage we are having with digital marketing. Whereas in traditional marketing, can we do that? I say we cannot. The reason being, let us assume we are raising a hoarding in the center of Khairatabad, or I'll say in center of any city. Now, eventually what will happen, the advertisement will get a lot of popularity and people will start flowing to the shop or whatever sort that we advertise for, and sales will happen. But can we track where the audience are coming from? It is quite impossible. And to do so, again, we have to keep a survey form. Let us assume there is a shopping mall for us. Okay, we advertised it in the hoardings or in the metro and in the paper. Eventually, we are getting the sales. People are coming to our shop and people are purchasing the goods and all sort of things are happening. But where they are coming from? To know it, again, I have to keep a survey form and ask, yes, by seeing which ad you visited our shop. What is the motto to visit our shop? So all sort of things I have to ask. So will they provide accurate information is another question again. Without interest or with interest, they might just provide some data and they just might go away from the shop. Okay, so it will be quite a tedious task to track the people in terms of traditional marketing. But whereas in digital marketing, you can just track anyone who is visiting your website from any location. Okay, why? Because website will be the heart for digital marketing. So without promoting channel, or I'll say a promoting aspect, you cannot just enter into the digital marketing. You certainly need a Facebook page or either a website or either any a source to market it, right? So you can track all the aspects that are happening in that particular platform. Okay, so till now it might be clear, guys. Now the second aspect is ROI, guys. ROI is return on investment. Now the prime aspect that people will look into is this one, whether how much we are going to earn. What is the percentage? Let us say I'm investing 1 crore, and how much profit I'm going to take out of this venture, how much profit I'm going to get out of this venture. That is the first thing people will think, right? So let us say I'm keeping 1 crore and 20% margin, 30% margin. That is what the expectations will be. In traditional marketing, what happens is the cost of the marketing will be very high. Why I'm saying this means you have no target audience here. So you will be advertising it on a hoarding or a newspaper. You know the cost. The cost will be very high when you are going with the television advertisements or paper advertisements or hoardings. They'll be in lakhs. But whereas in digital marketing, you can precisely target your audience. Why I'm saying precisely targeting your audience in the sense, let us say if I have to target females with an age group of 21 to 30, it is quite possible. Females with an age group of 21 to 30 who are working in Infosys, yes, it is quite possible in online marketing. So you can reach the target audience specifically that are who are suitable for your product sector. Okay, so because all the products doesn't need to be promoted to all the audience, right? So let us assume if I'm working for a digital marketing project to a school, I have to reach the parents of certain age groups. So I know what age groups nominally will have those sort of kids, right? If I want to make a profit for play school, I have to get kids of around 3 years to 5 years, right? 2 years to 4 years in such sort of ages. So I have to reach parents from 20 to 30 or 20 to 35. That is a nominal age group in India who will have those uh, age kids, right? In such sort of things, if I'm promoting a fashion apparel, I'll be reaching age group of 18 till 30 or 18 till 40. That means modern fashion, I'm saying. Or any other fashion means you don't have any limitations in approaching the public, right? So you can recognize your target audience and you can promote the product precisely to the target audience. Now what happens with this? The amount which you are going to spend will be drastically reduced. Understand? The amount which you are going to spend will be drastically reduced and the conversion will be very high. The reason being you are promoting it to your target audience. That means the people who are likely to purchase the product. So what happens? The conversion will be very high and the return on investment will be automatically increased in terms of digital marketing. Okay, so these are the basic differences when you are considering the traditional marketing and digital marketing, guys. Okay, so I'm not saying that traditional marketing is uh, not a fit in the market. Okay, I'm not saying that what this, but I'm just trying to give you the points where you will have an extra edge when you are implementing digital marketing. In this present competitive market, you have to definitely implement both the marketing strategies to counter all the aspects. As you can see, the geo, wherever you see, they are not leaving any stone unturned, as I can say. They are promoting the product on the every advertising platform and in the digital space and in the traditional space. So if you have to be successful in the market, you have to definitely implement both the marketing strategies. Okay, now so for a question, why we have to go for this digital space? Over 500 million active Indian internet users in Indian market. It will be more, guys. I think it is in billions now. I'm saying only active internet users. Don't get confused with that. The users are in billions. I'm saying active. That means every second, how many active internet users will be there. Okay, and consistent growth in the number of internet users. Obviously, you can expect with 5G going to go rolled out and many digital, I mean, devices that are going to come up in the future market. It is going to go on the rise only. Okay, the next one is top conversion rate and it definitely maintains a brand reputation, guys. When you're in the online space, when you're certainly in the online space, it is very important to maintain your online reputation and all the stuff. Okay, you can see the projected statistics. So how many people active users are there in 2015 and what they are going to expect by 2023. Okay, as we are in 2020, you can see 564.5 million active users. not speaking about the complete users, guys, who are on internet, active users every second. Okay, you can see the projected graph and how it explains the things. So what are the benefits of digital marketing? And you can see it definitely puts the customer in control. Why I'm saying this, puts the customer in control in the sense, so you might be going through these big billion days and Amazon flash sale and everything, right, guys? So what's happening there exactly? Now, how they are able to sell the products for such low prices? Now, how they are able to control the customers? Why I'm saying controlling the customers means, um, let us say you might have seen a shoe, one Reebok shoe, which will be like you might be liking it for the last few years or so. You want to purchase it. Now you might back off with many reasons, that lack of money or lack of funds or whatever the reason it might be at that time, you might not be purchasing it. Suddenly a day will come where even though if you are not having any use of it, if the product is sold for an attractive price or if the product is sold with an exceptional discount, now the first thing that will flash in your mind is somehow we have to purchase it, right? So what will happen exactly? So though you are not having any use of it at that time, you will purchase it because it was thrown for a huge discount or else it came for a very cheap price. So now what is happening there? The market is controlling the customer, right? So that is the power of a marketing strategy. So somehow they have to sell it into the market, even though even though people don't have any use of it, they can sell it in the market. Okay. Okay, guys. Now, so it provides convenience, as you can see with all the e-commerce portals and the big basket and all the stuff. You can get everything and anything at your doorstep. It drives brand loyalty. When you are a popular medium in the online platform, uh, there is no such kind of stopping you becoming a major brand in the market, and it reduces the selling cycle. Now, what is the selling cycle? I'll explain it, guys. Selling cycle, it is very important in terms of the marketing knowledge. So, selling cycle is nothing but the period between the manufacturing and selling. Now, uh, let us say a Maruti car. Let us take a Maruti car. It will have a manufacturing date and year, right? Something, let us say it was manufactured in January 2020. Now the time between its manufacturing period, I mean its manufacturing, the time period between the manufacturing date and the selling date, that is called as selling cycle. Okay. So Maruti manufactured 1,000 cars and Maruti sold 900 cars in the first month and 100 cars in the second month. Now the selling cycle for the 900 cars will be 1 month and the selling cycle for the 100 cars will be 2 months. So it reduces the selling cycle. Why I am saying this is, the classic example is MI phone. Now these days, those Chinese products, I don't want to use any vulgar language on the Chinese products anyhow, but so what they have done, see, flash sale. Now whenever they are releasing a new mobile, what they are doing, they are creating a hype for that mobile in the market and they are releasing it on a certain fixed date. Now what happens with that? You might ask. Let us assume they are manufacturing 1 lakh pieces and they are marketing it. And with this strategy, when they are creating a hype in the market about that product and selling it on a single day, they are able to sell all the mobiles in one shot. And they are able to take pre-orders as well with a single shot. Now, what are the benefits they are going to get is the investment. The amount they invested, they are going to get back in a single day. And with pre-orders, what will happen? For all the next production, they are also getting the investment from the consumer itself or customer itself, right? So the companies are able to save the interest. Now that is the reason they are saying we are going to give 1,000 rupees off, 2,000 rupees off when you are purchasing it on the first day. Now what they are doing, when they have to sell it in the market through their distributed channels and every other prospect, they have to wait for months, right? Now they have to send all the products to the distributors. Now once they get sold, they'll get their money, right? So all these things will happen. Now with online marketing strategy, they are going to get the money in a single day, and all their investment, the interest rates will be saved, right? If they are investing 100 crores, there will be a lot of interest incurred on it that will be saved. So what they are doing, they are providing it or pushing it directly to the consumer in the form of a discount. Now this will carry two benefits. One is like they are going to get the products, the consumers are going to get the products for less price, and these business people are going to sell more products. So that's what the uh, plan will be when they are selling the products in the online. Okay, it is measurable and it is cost effective, as you can see the 2 points here. Now what are the areas of digital marketing we are going to focus in the next few days, guys? SEO, I'll explain tomorrow, guys, about these things, what all the things will be there in those and all the stuff. SEO, social media optimization, search engine marketing, social media marketing, email marketing, analytics, affiliating marketing, content marketing, ORM, video marketing, and app store optimization. So all these things will be discussed and discussed in detail and will be explained in real time, guys. So I'm also going to take a session on how to design a WordPress website as well. Okay, so there will be real-time sessions only in this digital marketing course. I will be explaining everything on the website, how to work on it and how the results will be published in the market. All those sort of things will be discussed in real time. So the golden question is, who can make a career in digital marketing? Anyone can make a career in digital marketing. There is no specific degree required or there is no specific education required, guys. Anyone who are interested in promoting their products and services, they're most welcome to make a career in digital marketing, guys. There is no limitation in this. Even if you're a doctor also, you can learn digital marketing and pursue a career in it. Now why this is becoming a hot topic in the market is there is a lot of talent gap. Now there are, let's say 100 jobs, there are 37 people less in analytics and 29 people less in mobile marketing, 27 people less in email marketing, 27 less in content marketing, and 27 less in social media marketing. So all these areas, there is a lot of skill gap which need to be filled in the market. So that is the very reason why we are focusing more on digital marketing these days. Okay, next point is what is going to happen and what are the hot jobs that are going to be expected in the field of digital marketing in the next 2 to 3 years. As you can see, social media marketing, that will be on top with 50%. And as you can see, the top jobs that are majorly enlisted by title wise. So digital marketing coordinator is one popular job, and digital marketing analyst is another popular job. So you can see a lot of things are happening in the market, and you can see the demand for these particular job titles as well, which are going on in the market. And you can see the demand for digital marketing and general marketing, web development. Okay, so the skill set demand, this is the skill set demand, guys. So it is on par with the other skill sets that are quite popular in the market. It is on par. Digital marketing is on par with data analysis and other uh, popular marketing strategies in the global market. Okay, now total media and advertisements that were spent in billions from a period of 2013 to 19, you can see it crossed 8 billion in the period of 2019, guys. So you can assume the demand for digital marketing. What are the roles you can expect? So you can start from executive level, then become an associate level, then a senior associate, then an analyst and a senior analyst. Then you can become a manager, assistant manager, manager, and digital marketing head, or team lead, and all stuff. So and that way it goes, guys. So you might be treated as a social media marketing executive also. You might be placed in one of the platforms in the digital marketing as well. So there are a lot of job roles that are available in the digital marketing jobs at this moment. And so technology skills, people will expect you to have Google Ads and Google Analytics. So Marketo, that will be an additional that you can learn in the future, guys. Marketo platform and Salesforce for marketing. Those are automation tools you can learn in the future. So at this moment, if you're having a very good knowledge and sound knowledge on SEO and social media and Google Ads, that'll be a big thing to enter into the market, and your salaries will start from 15 to 20K, and within no time. See, I'm not going to say, guys, you have to work for 2 or 3 years to get 40,000, 50,000, 60,000. It is not the case with the digital marketing. If you are generating business from day one, you can get 50K in the first month or second month itself. Now that is the power of digital marketing. So if you are able to generate the business, that organization will not leave you. So automatic, the salaries are automatic in terms of digital marketing. Now what are the companies that were hiring? Deloitte, Snapdeal, all the top MNCs and all the mid-range companies and all the small scale companies are full-fledged taking the guys in digital marketing. So the job opportunities will be plenty, guys. Now the major advantage is there is no waiting for you people to just start your job in the top MNC. Any startup also can give you a job. Okay, so digital marketers will be hotcakes in the market. That is going to be for sure. And with this lockdown and with this corona, now the digital marketing has gained more popularity, and digital marketing gained more demand in the current market, guys. So you can definitely get good jobs in all the companies. Okay, so that's it for the day, guys. And if anyone is having any query, you can just shoot the questions. Any questions, guys?
How long is the course duration, sir?
It'll be for 45 working days.
Okay, and time would be the same every day?
Uh, you can discuss it with last year. Mostly, I gave the slot